Hello student, 4th standard maths. Welcome back to maths class. Today we learn here conversion of units of time. Units of time. First conversion of days to hour. Days to hour. See how to do the days to hour conversion. See here, given you 5 days 17 hours. 5 days 17 hours. You want here hours. That time what you do? First, one day have how many hours? 24 hours. So 5 multiplied by 24 plus 17. 120 hours plus 17, 127 hours. Understand? All of you understand how to do? One day have 24 hours. So 5 multiplied by 24 because of you want days in hours. So 5 multiplied by 24. Next one is hours. Add there. 5 multiplied by 24 is equal to 120 plus 17 is equal to 127 hours. Understand how to do? See here. Open your textbook. Convert the following into hours. 4 days 8 hours. 4 days 8 hours means 4 multiplied by 24 plus 8 hours. (96 plus 8). 96 plus 8, 104 hours. How many hours are there? 104 hours. You solve in your rough page and write there. 8 days 4 hours. 8 days 8 multiplied by 24 is equal to 192 plus 4 is equal to 196 hours. 2 days 48. 48 plus 20, 68 hours. D1 is your homework. Now also we solve in my notebook. Okay, next one what? Now we learn here hours to minute. Conversion of hours to minutes. Okay. First say me 1 hour have how many minutes? 60 minutes. 60 minutes means now we solve here 4 hours 5 minutes. 4 hours 5 minutes is equal to how many minutes? So 4 multiplied by 60 plus 5. 5 you multiply here 60. 1 hour have 60 minutes. So 4 hours have how many minutes? That time you do there 4 multiplied by 60. 240 plus 5 is equal to 245 minutes. Right there 245 minutes. All of you understand? Now open your textbook. See 2 hours 45 minutes. 2 multiplied by 60. 6 to the 12. 120 plus 45. 120 plus 45, 165 minutes. 5 hours 10 minutes, 310 minutes. Because of 5 multiplied by 60, 5 6 are 30 and extra 1 0, 60, 1 0 add there, 300, 300 plus 10, 310 minutes. 6 hours 40 minutes, 400 minutes, 400 minutes. 6 multiplied by 60, 6 6 are 36, 360 plus 40 is equal to 400. D1 is your homework. Now conversion of minutes to hours and minutes. Hours and minutes. That time what you do? Now next one conversion. Minutes to hours to minutes. See, page number 97, write how to do. Page number 97. First one given you. 248 minutes. You want there how many hours and how many minutes. That time what you do? 248 divided by 60, because of 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So divided by there also 60. Divided by there also 60. 60 table what? 6 table. And write there extra 1 0. 6 4s are 24. So 16 4s are 240. Right there. Your quotient is a hour and remainder is a, you call that minutes. You call that minutes. So write there 4 hours 8 minutes. Next one what? 160. 160 how to do? 160 divided by 60. 6 2s are 120. This is your hour and this is your minutes. Write their answer. 2 hours 40 minutes. Next one what? C1. 76. 76 divided by 60. 60 ones are 60. 1 hour 16 minutes. You got that answer. Okay. Next one what? Seconds to minute. Seconds to minute. That time also 1 minute have how many seconds? 1 minute have how many seconds are there? See. 1 minute have how many seconds? 60 seconds. 60 seconds. That time what you do? How to do? Write their question. Convert into minutes and seconds. Solve in your notebook. Minutes and seconds. Solve in your notebook. 220 seconds. Write in there minutes and seconds. 220 divided by 60. 6 3s are 18. Right there, this is a minute and this one is a seconds. Right there, 3 minutes 40 seconds. 40 seconds. Okay. Next one, 190 seconds. Right there, 190 seconds. 190 divided by 60. 180. 2 minutes 10 seconds. C1 260 seconds and D1 105 seconds. Right there. Okay. Now addition of and subtraction, year on month, year and month. See first, 1 year have how many months? 1 year have how many months? 12 months. Okay, 1 year have 12 months na. So how to do add and how to do the subtraction? See, year, month. Okay, 10 year 10 month plus 4 year 10 month. Okay, now see, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 1 20. You got here 20 month, but you want here year and month, both are separate, but 20 month in year, no. How many months in year? 12 months. That time what you do? Minus 12. 20 minus 12, 8. Right there, remaining 8 month here, and this one 12 month you take carry on year 1, because of 12 months means 1 year completed. So right there 12 as a carry 1 and remaining month write in month. Okay, now see, 10 plus 1 11, 11 plus 4 15 year. You got their answer 15 year. How to do? Understand? All of you understand? See, one other example. Here also year and month. 9 year 11 month plus 7 year 10 month. That time what to do? See, 11 plus 10 21. 11 plus 10 21 minus 12 month. Minus 12 month means 1 year. 12 month, 9 month is remaining and 1 is a carry. Okay, 1 is a carry. 1 plus 9 10, 10 plus 1 10 plus 7 17. 17 year 9 month. You got their answer 17 month 9 year. Okay, understand how to do the addition? Now see, subtraction how to do. This is your year column, then month column. 11 year 7 month minus 9 year 5 month. 7 minus 5 2. 11 minus 9 2. 2 year 2 months. Okay, this is a normal subtraction. Now year and month. 18 year 7 month, 3 year, 9 month. See, 7 minus 9 is possible? No, that time what you do? Take a carry. Here is a 17 year. But here come to the in the month. So here 12 month. 1 year. When you take in month column, 12 month. They go to the, they convert into the month. 1 year is equal to 12 month. Write there carry 12 plus 7. Your this one month add there. 12 plus 7, 19. Now 19 minus 9. How many is there remaining? 10 months. And 17 minus 3. 17 minus 3. 14 year. 14 year, 10 months. How to do? Understand? Open your textbook. Page number 99. 6 year, 7 months plus 3 year, 8 months. 7 plus 8, 15 month. 15 month means what you do? 3 months right here. 15 minus 12. 3 is remaining. And 1 is a carry. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 year, 3 months. You got their answer. See here also 19 month. 19 month. 19 month means 19 minus 12. 19 minus 12. How many is there? 19 minus 12. 9 minus 2. 7. 7 month. And 1 is a carry. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Understand? Next one. 7 year, 5 month minus 3 year, 7 month. 5 minus 7 is possible? No. Take carry. Here 6 year and here 1 year carry here. So convert into the month. 12 plus 5. 12 plus 5, 17. 17 minus 7. 10 month. 6 minus 3, 3. 3 year, 10 month. You got their answer. 9 year, 6 month minus 6 year, 9 month. 6 minus 9 is possible? No. Take carry. Convert into the month. 12 plus 6. 18 month. 18 minus 9. 9. And 8 minus 6. 2. 2 year, 9 month. How to do? Understand? E1. F1GH is your homework. That also I solve in my notebook. See video. Go to the back side. In that video, 2-3 minutes remaining. Come back side and see there. Okay. Thank you.